Are you getting great webinar registrations but poor attendance? You're not alone. On average, 60 to 70% of registrants never show up.
That gap isn't about your content. It's about human behavior and communication. Today, I'll reveal why people don't attend webinars.
First, 63% forget the event. Second, 25% drop off due to technical issues like wrong links or passwords.
Third, last-minute tasks and distractions pull people away. And fourth, a single confirmation email keeps attendance low.
So it's not a content problem, it's a follow-up and engagement problem. To increase attendance, you must focus on 4 areas.
1. Multi-channel reminders, WhatsApp, SMS, email, and calls. 2. Make joining easy with one-click access and clear instructions.
3. Build urgency and value with bonuses, templates, limited seats, and certificates. 4. Engage before the event by sharing speaker details and agenda highlights.
Now meet Aisa-x, the AI webinar agent that automates all this. Aisa-x sends smart reminders, reschedules registrants, shares agenda highlights, and provides one-click join links.
With Aisa-x, your webinar feels professionally managed and attendance can rise 2 to 3 times. To learn more, check the link in the description.